This is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this where I'm going to show you if your hard drive, your MacBook or iMac or MacBook Pro doesn't appear on your desktop screen, how to make it visible. For example, in this case you can see my desktop here. I don't see my hard drive here, my Macintosh hard drive. So how I can find here this one, how I can see this one? You have to see the Finder option. When no application is open here, you would see Finder. Hit this one, Finder. Next option you have Preferences. Hit this one. Here you see hard disk. Very easy, simple. So you have external drive, CD drive, connected server in this side. So I hit hard drive. Immediately you see Macintosh HDs appear here. Fine, I close this one. So I have Macintosh HD available. If I want to copy, paste, modify, whatever I want, I can do here. Very simple, guys. So Finder, Preferences, then click that on for visible for showing Macintosh HD. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.